Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online business with eBay, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding the basics of eBay is essential before you begin scaling your online business. Firstly, create a professional seller account on eBay. Choose a username that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Next, familiarize yourself with eBay's selling policies and guidelines. Research your niche to identify products that are in demand and can generate profit. Analyze your competition to understand their pricing and marketing strategies. Once you have your products in mind, source them from reliable suppliers or wholesalers. Consider using dropshipping to minimize inventory costs and reduce risk. Create high-quality listings for each product, including clear images and detailed descriptions. Optimize your product titles with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Set competitive prices based on market research and competitor analysis. Use eBay's pricing tools to help you make informed decisions. Consider offering free shipping to attract more customers and improve your listing visibility. Promote your listings through eBay's advertising options for increased reach. Utilize social media platforms to drive traffic to your eBay store. Analyze your sales data regularly to identify trends and areas for improvement. Engage with customers through excellent communication and prompt responses to inquiries. Encourage customer feedback to build your reputation and enhance trust. Experiment with different marketing strategies, such as email campaigns and promotions. Stay informed about eBay updates, trends, and best practices to remain competitive. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range or entering new markets. Continually assess your operational efficiencies to optimize your processes. By following these steps, you can systematically scale your online business on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.